A lot of Vegas.
Snacks, business cards.
Yeah. Did you go all over the place, or?
Most of mine were, yeah, I did actually. Mine were all in the United States, but yeah.
Yeah. Hey, how we doing?
All right, how are you today?
Pretty good. It's a little chilly.
A little bit, yeah. A bit.
Just opening up?
Yep. Yeah. Just having coffee.
Nice little table, yeah.
That was a t-shirt that came in us. Yeah. Part.
Gotcha. Oh, I got the RC helicopters. Those are cool.
Yeah, that one I can't find the power cord for, but this one I have it.
And how much you got on that TV?
$10.
And it's got the power cord?
Yeah. Yep. You
I
can,
could use another TV.
plug it in and power it up.
These are cool, but they're probably expensive, yeah?
This?
Yeah.
Well, you know, I bought it for my son years ago, and I don't know, $20.
Yeah. I'll give you $10 for it.
All right. Thank you.
If you just want to pull the power out. Actually, I'll leave it, and I'm going to go check out his sale, and I'll come back for it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Morning. Doing good. How are you?
Good.
It's $5 for the two of these?
Pardon?
Is it $5 for the two of these?
Maybe that's good.
That's alright. I'll come right back. I'm going to bring that TV I just bought into my car.
Okay.
How's that for lazy? How's that for lazy? What'd she say? Is it 5 for both?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Here's a 5.
Okay.
Right there.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good morning. $1 each.
Here, take your notes out.
Any signs, Phil? Yeah. I remember when I used to try to play Call of Duty on the Wii.
Yeah.
It was not the ideal solution. I think I'll do your 2 Wii Sports copies you got.
Oh,
You have change for 5? Goodbye.
there you go.
Cool, thank
Thank
you. I'm still thinking about those. Cool. What's the lowest you'd go on these walking poles?
I don't even know what I have on them.
You have 6 on them.
I'll do 4.
You do 4?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it.
I'll get $20 for you.
Yeah,
Still
kind of
good.
cool. And if I have another 5, I might get one of the Call of Duties. Just for nostalgia's sake.
Yeah.
I think I'll go Modern Warfare because that was the one I played the most.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Thank you guys.
Appreciate it.
That is a ball. Sure.
Yeah, they will. So I can have one more?
Yeah.
You can have up to 4 more.
Yeah, Mom, you can have up to 4 more things. No, she said she only got 3.
No, she got.
No, she got 4.
She gave an extra dollar.
Extra dollar.
You're welcome.
Woohoo, you're rich now, right?
All of this high finance, I'll tell you.
So much work.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Pretty good.
We're ready to move on. Well, maybe.
Well, I depleted your file
Oh,
folder.
well, thank you.
Can you get them both, honey? I need some. I got it. Yeah.
I took $5 for both of them, so. Good luck. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.
It's a nutcracker.
That's what I thought, yeah. Kind of cool.
It's actually kind of nice because the old style ones, if you get like a hazelnut in there, it shoots across the room.
Yeah,
That one is actually, it'll hold it in there.
yeah. Yeah, it's got the grips.
But I'm right face, Dad.
That is actually in that box.
Yeah.
I think the right hand box is a receiver and a subwoofer. And then all the rest of it's speakers.
Wow. Right, and then this is from like a separate Pioneer thing then?
No, That's actually the whole thing. I think it's like.
Those two speakers in the front here.
Yeah, these
those
I think
real
are separate.
pioneers.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's
So
okay,
that's like a
separate.
big system.
Yeah. So this
For a dollar
is
off of that entire
treble.
Yeah, yeah.
Those two, and then yeah, this. It's been so long since I've had this out.
Yeah.
This is subwoofer, and then I think the receivers underneath it.
Yeah, yeah, I think it's in this picture here.
I don't want to mislead you.
Oh,
There
gotcha.
may be another box somewhere. No, that is just a subwoofer.
Oh, yeah, so the receiver's somewhere else,
It
maybe.
might be underneath it here. But if you're interested in it, I would produce that. I believe the remote's in here too somewhere. Don't remember that subwoofer being that big.
Yeah, I'll think about it. What is this thing?
It was for a trade showcase, but a set of golf clubs actually fits down into it.
Ah, okay. Gotcha.
That's free.
And what are these? I just am curious about all your things.
Those are just
Barbecue
grilled.
sticks.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Okay, so you put like chicken in the middle, right? That's cool.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Direct history.
It's a rotisserie, yeah, that's the word. That's the word. Business card reader. So you went to a lot of trade shows, huh?
Yeah. That used to be my job.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that because I also, if they ever come back,
Yeah, I know
usually go to a lot of yard sale, or trade shows.
Yeah.
A lot of
Those
Vegas.
stacks of business
Yeah.
cards.
Did you go all over the place, or?
Most of mine were, yeah, I did actually. Mine were all in the United States, but yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was East Coast to West Coast.
Wow. Yeah, I've done that. Oh wow, I missed the duck. Is the duck part of the 4 for $1?
Yep.
And that's something everyone needs.
It is.
Is a duck. Oh, it's a loon,
Yeah.
not a duck. This.
Okay. Just $1.
I mean,
Yeah, it's up to $4 for $1. Yep. Each plate has got a different thing. You're very welcome. Enjoy.
all right, I found 4 things.
Okay.
That's the goal, right? Is to
Yep.
make us find 4 even if we only wanted 1.
Exactly. You're on to me.
Yeah. There you go.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, enjoy. Yeah, don't pick it up by the weeds.
It's gross.
I'm afraid it was gonna snap.
These are all like brand new. These ones are used, and then these ones are new.
Well,
You're welcome.
so
Have a
like
great day.
these have been opened,
Yeah.
but the actual ones I took out are here. So
Gotcha.
they're in new condition.
Yeah.
Just the bags are, and then a lot of these, the bags are not open. They're just
Gotcha.
ones that I had bought.
Are you not fishing anymore?
That's actually extra stuff that I've got there. You can see a lot of them are duplicates.
Yeah.
I think they're all of those are pretty much unopened.
Yeah. 3. 4. See if I can get to 5. See if I need to make a change. There we go. $5.
All right.
There you go.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
I wish I did have more time to fish.
Yeah, I'm with you. Okay. Thanks, guys. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I always appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe for more. Really quickly, going over some of the stuff I got today. I picked up a TV. The TV I could probably resell for 20-30 bucks. I paid 10 for it, but I really bought it because I wanted a TV in my workspace. I'm trying to kind of fix up my garage. You know, it's always a mess, and kind of make it this really nice area to do all my eBay stuff. And I wanted a little TV for out there that I could connect my computer to, computer monitor slash TV, because I can test stuff with it, like test VCRs and DVD players, but I can also use it as a monitor for my computer. So kind of multi-purpose. 10 bucks. I figured it was a good buy, so went ahead and grabbed that. Hit up another sale where there was a bunch of gymnastics equipment, but it was all sold by the time I got there, so it was a little disappointing. But what I did get there was 2 copies of Wii Sports and a copy of Call of Duty Modern Warfare for the Wii. I couldn't remember which Call of Duty had value for the Wii, so I just went with Modern Warfare. Black Ops is the one that's worth 10 bucks. Modern Warfare is worth like 5, so I picked the wrong one. Oh well. I should have just bought both. They were only $1. I don't know why I do that to myself sometimes. It's not like I'm gonna lose money on a $1 Wii game, but whatever. I didn't buy it, but the Wii Sports are really scratched. I need to test them, but my Wii is acting really weird at my house. Whenever I put a game in it, no matter what, I can press the A button on my Wii and it works, but none of the other buttons do anything. The motion sensor maybe is broken. So I have to find a Wii to test it with. So I can't list it until I test it. I've got a bunch of Wii games right now and GameCube games that I want to sell, but I'm scared to sell because I don't know if they work and my testing Wii is not working. So anyways, long story short, once those Wii Sports get tested, I should get 20 to 30 bucks a piece for them. So that's a really quick $50, $60 profit. I bought these walking sticks there too. I thought they'd be worth more. They were brand new, but they only look like they go for 16, 17 bucks on eBay. So those were a little disappointing. What else did I get? Oh, I went to one more sale, and this sale was kind of interesting. They had a 4 for $1 section. You know me, when it's super cheap, I just go crazy. So I found 4 items to get, and out of those 4 items I got, the loon, the little duck, was the most valuable, which is pretty funny. It's selling for like 20 bucks, 15, 20 bucks on eBay. Sorry about this noise. I'm visiting my mother, and it's just very loud. She's near some busy streets. So yeah, I got the loon. I got a little seed tray, which is not worth much, but it might be fun to do with the kids. I got, what else did I get on that quarter? Oh, a little angel thing. It's only worth like 10 bucks. And I don't know, something else not worth much money. The 4 for $1 was not a very profitable section, but the business card reader I got was a win. That thing's selling for like 50 bucks pretty regularly on eBay. So I'm looking forward to that selling. Brand new, they go for even more. Basically, what you do is you take a business card, you put them in, and it kind of does all the hard work, puts them all on your computer, says, okay, this is the address, this is the email, this is the phone number. If you've ever gotten a lot of business cards and had to process them onto a spreadsheet, you'll understand why that thing's a lifesaver and why someone would pay 50 bucks for it. So yeah, you know, with the Wii games and that card reader, I'm already at 100 bucks profit as soon as they sell. So pretty good day. I'm excited about what I found. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Thanks. All right, guys, there's just a few more things I remember I picked up at these yard sales. I got some makeup for 5 bucks. The makeup is worth a lot of money, but I didn't check the expiration date, and it was expired. So you gotta check the expiration date on makeup. Normally this makeup goes for like 70 bucks. Because it's expired, I think I sold it for 15, 20 bucks. So third of the value because of the expiration. And then I got a bunch of like bait worms for fishing, and I listed those in like 2 packs, 3 packs on eBay, getting a lot of views and a lot of watchers, so I think they will move. Those will really add up over time, all those ones I got. Oh, and I looked up what that other thing I got for the 4 for $1 was, and it was like a little travel easel that's worth like 15 bucks. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later.